let's be very spontaneous here in Copenhagen and make you guys a video.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Alright, here's the honest truth. I was sitting in the Danish office and, waiting for my video for today to be posted. I go in and I realized I actually hadn't made a video. So I'm like, yes! So this is an impromptu video filmed in the center of Copenhagen where you get to learn some Swedish with me. Let's go! But first I want to know, what do you know about Denmark and Copenhagen? Let me know in the comments and let's have discussions about things. This is probably not the cheapest street in Copenhagen to have a store. This is Ströget, which is a pedestrian walkaway and gågata through the center of Copenhagen from NYHAMN, New Haven, all the way to the main square, HUVUDTORGET. HUVUDTORGET is not actually a word, but in terms of learning new words, it is a new word now. You have stores like Victoria's Secret, you have Disney over there, you have Louis Vuitton, you have Illums Bolighus, which I think is a Danish store. I see the Lego store way over there. I see Hennes & Mauritz, which is a Swedish store, and klädaffär, Hennes & Mauritz. And behind me over there you have En gatumusikant. Okay, here's an ögonblicksskildring. When I'm walking around with this stora kamera and this mikrofon, people get really impressed and it's like, wow, he must be something real. He must work for TV. He works for TV. Han arbetar för TV. I don't. So unless you knew it, Köpenhamn is huvudstad i Danmark. It's the capital of Denmark. Welcome to Denmark. All right, we have to try this. Wait. That's who I am. All right, I made it to Nytorv, New Square. 5 years ago when the Eurovision Song Contest was in Copenhagen, this was the Euro Village where you had the stage and scene right over there, where most of the artists participating from different countries performed for the general public, för publiken, and it was gratis. We have reached the end of Ströget and we have reached Town Hall Place, RÅDHUSPLATSEN. Yes, my Danish is flawless. One thing you really have to look out for when it comes to this city is not bilar, it is cyklar, bicycles. Yeah, they will run you down, köra över dig. And now you hear KLOCKOR ringa. Maybe someone got married. Who knows? This is obviously a big spot for TURISTER as well. Lots of tourists gather here and take pictures of the old building, gammal byggnad. One of the main attractions in Copenhagen is Tivoli, which is a nöjespark where you can ride KARUSELLER, DALBANA, and do other crazy. And now I'm on the final stretch towards TÅGSTATIONEN, which will take me across the bridge and through the tunnel back to Svejderud, back to Malmö. So thank you for watching this very late thought of video. I hope you learned a few little words, and again, question, what do you know about Denmark and Copenhagen?